Good evening. Restore my cx500. Front. Yeah, almost finished. Some things I have to do. I have to repaint that part because this one is not done. The upper part is done. The wheels and tires are ready. New fender. Imitation headlight. I do not know if I use this, but I'm trying something out. I need an ignition switch, key. The engine, I had one lying around in my shed, so I put it beneath this frame. The back end, new springs, shock absorbers at the rear. Final gear completely refurbished. Yes, what I hate is the rust. I can't take the rust away, so I hope to find better parts and then I will put it on this bike and rebuild it. Cheap parts, new parts. I'm trying something out. I want to test them. On this side everything is fine. It's not completely. I see something. I'm not happy. This one is not good. Something is wrong. Maybe I have to check that out. Something is not good. It's supposed to be strong and firm, and that's not. Okay, new nut there. So new nut there. All new parts here. You can hear it. So nice starter engine. New rubber. It looks nice. I want to find a new seat, but I need two new seats because the other frame is now by the powder coater, by the guy that is painted it all black. So we have to figure it out to make the best of it. It's difficult, it's time consuming, and I don't think I'm going to earn some money out of this. You do this for fun, for hobby, not by making money because it's too expensive. Okay, thank you for watching. See you later. Bye bye.